Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this crossbody sling bag, what all is in this, how portable it is, kind of what all it does, sizing, full-blown details. And first off, this company reached out to me. The company is Phonetic, F-N-E-T-I-C, and said, Ryan, can you give us a little overview? Can you do a little review on our sling here? That's what I'm gonna call it, a sling. Of course I said yes, but no way whatsoever being provided to me a fitness review. I'm just here to keep it real. Now, what all do you get? You pretty much get this, but I'm gonna give you the rundown. So at the top, first thing that popped out, if you like to be mobile and you want to have maybe earbuds or something in it, it has this cool little pouch for the old earbuds. So if you have wired earbuds, you can use something like this. You fish it through like this, and then you can zip it up and put whatever device you want in there, and then it's over your shoulder. Pretty cool stuff. It does have a material that is, I don't know if it's waterproof, but it definitely is of a material that looks to be, I mean, the inside, this looks to be waterproof of some sort, but it looks like it has a material that, at least for the most part, is going to kind of shear off water. It's just as far as I can tell. It does have a side pouch right here for water or whatever. It also has one on the other side as well. It has the inner lining zipper that goes like this. And so you have a pouch here with the netting. You have another pouch here as well. From a sizing standpoint, kind of give you a breakdown here. The total pouch is right at about 13 inches. And from a, what can you get in it? What can you get in it? Well, this first outer pouch, I would say, from putting my fist in there is, I'd say it's probably about 4 inches thick, kind of going into it. Then you have another outer pouch. So you have the larger one, and then you have the outer one. And the larger one also has a clip for something, if you want to have something clipped just to make sure you don't lose it. It has one pouch here, then another pouch here, then you have your main pouch, then you have another pouch. And so you kind of separate your stuff in there and keep it all nice and neat. It does have a handle here, like a typical backpack would, for holding it like this. You do have the over-the-shoulder sling. It does have a easy-to-use adjustment to make it tighter. As far as the fit is concerned, you have an additional pouch that is right here on the front. That also has a zip-up. So if you wanted to, put, it's big enough you can put a can, like 12-ounce can in there. This is also reflective. The sling can be moved from one side to the next. So if you don't want it going on this side, it can be unclipped and moved to this side, just depending on if you want it over the right side or the left side. Really what suits you best from a comfort standpoint and how you want to, have something like this. The back also has some built-in padding. So if you're out and about wearing this and you have something heavy in there, you do have some additional padding in there as well. Really high quality, really nice. Actually pleasantly surprised. And the first thing I thought of was like, when I go like longboarding, go on trips, or maybe even snowboarding or something like that where I'm active, but I don't want something big and bulky, but something that can kind of carry all my essentials, nice, neat, and kind of compact. This, I believe, is going to do the trick. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this. We'll talk to you soon.